So hi everybody and welcome to this week's video of RBX Excel videos. In this video we are going to create a beautiful circle chart with a data label in the middle and a picture in the middle. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Please enjoy. So in this video we are going to create this beautiful animated circle chart. It's a circle chart with a glow and a data label in the middle with a picture, and in this example I used a factory utilization which has a percentage of 70% in this example, and I can change that to example to a 60%, and you see my circle chart changes. And how we can make this circle chart I'm going to show you step by step on sheet number 2. I have the same data in here, and to create a nice circle chart with a total of 100% we need this 45% and the rest to 100%, so 55%. We are going to create a formula in here which says equal sign 1 minus the 45%. So it says 55% and it makes a total of a 100%. Now you can select these two values. You can go to your insert tab on your ribbon. You can go to the circle charts. And you can insert a 2D pie chart. Just bring it here. I'm going to delete my title and I'm going to delete my legend. I'm going to format my chart. I'm going to click my chart. You see the whole data series is selected. I only want this blue part. So click again to only select the blue part. Press Ctrl 1 to open my format data point. And I'm going to go to my fill and line. First my fill, it will be a gradient fill. I have 2 gradient stops. If you have more, you can just select it and press delete on your keyboard or click this button. You can change the colors by select the gradient stop and change the color in here. I like the color like it is now, and also for this one it's a light green. I can go down in this menu to the border and I want a solid line for a border. The color is dark green and I want it 5 points thick. Now I'm going to select the orange part. So click on it, go to the fill and line, go up and say no fill. So it completely removes the orange part. Well, I want to have a border, a solid line border with the dark green color in here, and I want that to be 5 points. I also want a glow, and for that I'm going to the effects menu. I'm going to glow and I'm going to select this glow. I want it to be 10 points and I want it to be the dark green color, same as the line. So close this window and you see your chart is looking much more like our example. I'm going to remove the outer line of my chart, so select your chart, press Ctrl 1, go to the fill and line and say no line in the border menu. Close this one. Now we need to add the data label in the middle with a picture and a percentage. And for that we are going to your insert tab on the ribbon. I'm going to insert a shape. I'm going to insert this shape. Make it this size. I can place it here. And when I select my shape I can press Ctrl 1 to open my format shape menu. And I want a solid fill with a white color. And the outline of my shape needs to be a solid line in the dark green color with also a width of 5 points, the same as in my chart. Close this menu, right click on your shape and say I want to edit text. Click it. Click now your formula bar because we are going to create a formula to show the text. Click your formula, press equal sign and press the cell with your factory utilization percentage. Press enter and you see the percentages in your shape. Well, we want the percentage on the right side in the middle, so select your shape, go to your home tab, click right alignment and middle alignment and make it a little bit bigger. Now we need to insert the factory icon. To do that, we can go to our insert tab on the ribbon, click icons, and Excel is opening the icon library. Just search for a factory icon. You get these two, click one, click insert, and you have our factory icon. Just resize this a little bit so it can fit in our shape. Well, now select it, press Ctrl 1 to open the Format Graphic menu, go to the fillet line, and we want a solid line which has a green color, and we make it a little bit bigger, and we can close this Format Graphic menu. Now we have a shape with a percentage and a factory icon. We can group these two by selecting the picture, and after that hold your Ctrl key and select your shape. Now right click, say group, and click group again. Now it's one group. Now I can move it into my chart in here, and when I select this shape and my chart at the same time, I can go to the graphics format menu on my ribbon. I can go to align, and I can align this in the center, both horizontal and vertical, so it's exactly in the middle. Now I have my beautiful circle chart with a percentage in the middle. I can change the percentage in here, and you see my chart is changing. And we actually don't want to see this value in here, and for that we actually wanted to hide this column. But first we need to do some other things, and I'll show you why. When I hide this column now, your chart is not looking great. So undo this, and we're gonna change some settings. First, select your chart, right click, click select data, click hidden and empty cells, and click the checkbox for show data in hidden rows and columns. Click OK, and click OK. Now select your chart, and then hold your Ctrl key and select your data label shape. So you select them both, you right click, you go to group, and you group them together. Now you select your chart, press Ctrl 1, go to the size and properties, and select don't move or size with cells. Close this menu, and now you can safely hide this column, and your chart stays the same. So that's how you create this beautiful animated circle chart with a data label in the middle and a picture in the middle. I hope you learned a lot and that you can create your own beautiful circle chart yourself. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Thanks for watching.